Michaela, and I'm one of the instructors.
And I'm Jonathan.
And we're just going to basically go over what lessons we have planned. The first lesson is why you should join our course and a little bit about ourselves, such as we went to NICSUP last year.
So in our second lesson, we're going to be actually going to content, and we're going to help you guys determine a research question and help you discover what topics you would want to research.
In lesson 3, we're going to go over what sources are credible. For example, Google Scholar and Gale are very credible, while Wikipedia is not credible.
In lesson 4, we're going to start learning about statistics that you can use in your research, such as ANOVA and t-test.
In lesson 5, we're going to go over what makes a presentation good and what makes a presentation bad. For example, you can see how the slide to the bottom left-hand corner is a lot more colorful and bright, while the one on the top is quite hard to read and the font isn't very appealing.
Finally, lesson 6, we're going to help you create your own presentation so that you can practice the skills that you learn from this course.
Thank you guys so much for listening. So I just want to say that our course focuses really on AP seminar and people in science research. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.